how to crochet the slip stitch. This is one of those foundational stitches that every beginner should know because you're going to come across it constantly. It's used in many ways, all the way from creating a border to combining different swatches or like pieces of crocheted fabric and making buttonholes, everything. So I'm going to chain one, and then here I'm going to skip the first one and insert my hook into the stitch, pull the yarn through the stitch and the loop on my hook, and that's it. Now the most important thing about the slip stitch is that you keep it loose. You honestly can't get too loose with these. It's really hard to. It's a lot easier to keep it too tight. So if you think it's too loose, it's probably just right. If you think it's too tight, it's definitely too tight. It should be easy for the yarn to glide through and for your hook to glide through. The biggest reason this is a problem is because people will hold the yarn in place on their hook, or they'll keep it too close to the neck so that it doesn't actually push all the way back onto the body of the hook. And the body of the hook is where you get your sizing right. Now in this example, the slip stitch is used as a border, and I did the last three kind of tight, so I'm just going to pull them out and redo them a little more loosely. I recommend keeping the size of the yarn, of the loop on your hook, the same size as the stitch, and then that way you know that it matches the other side. But there you go. I hope it helps.